Hello everybody, welcome to today's video on Canva for beginners. In today's video, what we'll try to do, or what we will do, is have this image here popping out of the text. As you see here, there's this man, he's sprinting out of the words sprint. This is fairly easy to do. What you do is, to begin, you just add a page. Now this is blue. The only reason I put it blue is to make it pop. We can always go here, go to the color here, the background color, click it and either change it to white or just hit delete. The next thing we have to do is add some text. So for this one, it says sprint. I've also done one run, but there's many people who have done it. So I just wanted to show you sprint. So we go to, on your left hand side, we go to text. We choose add a heading. Just adjust this a bit. Add a heading. And we will put in sprint. Just bring it to the middle. Now, this is all lowercase. So you can either go in and do it all in uppercase, or you can go up here. You see this uppercase, and there it is. It's all in uppercase, okay? So we make it bigger. We adjust it to the middle. Okay, so that's fairly easy. So next we're going to get a photo. Okay, so we look for, let's say, man running. Canva has free photos as well as pro. Pro is if you have the pro version. Now there's one here that's free, but if you see it's pretty small. And what you can do, okay, now mine is a different one because I downloaded it from another site called Pixabay, and then I removed the background. Now if you don't have a pro version for Canva, you can't download this to remove the background. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to, let's do another page, take that here, okay. You need to remove the background, okay. Basically, that's what you have to do. So in order to remove the background, you need to download this page 12. Now, if you have a pro version, it says here you can remove background, okay. So when you click download, it says see transparent background, but that's only if you have a pro version. So for now, I don't have a pro version. I'm going to teach you how to do it with a free version. So this is page 12. So you click here and you go to page 12. You choose that, done, download. Okay, and this is going to download. So you can see here it's downloading. Next, what you do is, once it's downloaded, and when it's downloaded, you can see it'll come up at the bottom here. My internet speed is a bit slow today, so here it is. Okay, so what you can do is then you go to a site called www.remove.bg upload. Okay, I will put a link down in the description. What it will do is it will remove the background. So it's uploading the image that, now what we are uploading is the image that we just downloaded from Canva. Okay, so it's uploading. I'm so sorry, I apologize, my internet is a bit slow today. So you can see this is the original one. It's coming with the background, right? And that's the one that's removed. Okay, so you download that. That's downloaded. Now you go back to Canva. So you can remove that. Now you need to upload the image that was just downloaded. So you can just click upload. Okay, that's that. And then you just bring up the, sorry, that's the previous one that I'm doing. So you got to bring up the one that was removed. Anyway, let it upload for now because something wrong with the internet today. So let it upload. So the one good thing about this is you can see, you can trash it. Okay, so then you go to upload it, and you bring it over. You just click it and it goes over. So put that aside. So as you can see, it's pretty small now, right? So first, we'll just adjust it a bit. Bring this back to the middle. Just make it a bit bigger. Now, as you can see, now the image is a bit dark and the word sprint is dark. So to make it stand out, like we did over here, we do uh, maybe a font color that is red. Okay, that's just to make it stand out. So we would try the red one for now. Okay, then with this image, what you do is you adjust to how you think. Let's just adjust it closer so that it's easier to enlarge it without it going off the page. Okay, so now then we can enlarge it. Now you want this coming out, right? So what you do is you duplicate that first. Okay, so you go up here. You can either right click, okay, copy paste, or click it here and you go up to your right hand side and says duplicate. Okay, you bring it down. Now this one, what you do is you want this part to be behind the text because you want the front portion of this man to be popping out, right? So maybe you do here, okay? And then this one, what you do is you bring it back, you align it, and then this one has to come out in front. And that's it. It's as easy as that. See, the only thing here now is you can't see the eye so much. I mean, you know it's print, so it's eye. So see like this. What you can do then is you just click here and shift click and you group. Okay. And then you just move it a bit, maybe here. Okay. So although you can't see the R right now, you can still see the eye. So then you ungroup it. And this one, you go to position and you go to backward. So now you can see him coming out. But again, see now the R is not so visible. So you just move that a bit. You just need to adjust. Now you get this one and you move it a bit. This one, you move to about here. And then you get this one and you move it to about here. Again, there's only his knee coming out, right? But it's popping out. Now this is how you do it. Now you can adjust and move it around. And to make it stand out a bit more, you can put a color, which is what I had here, which is blue. So you can see if you put black, kind of blends in. You can do any color. Pink, orange, yellow. So you see he's popping out. Now you can adjust it. See if you see here, I've adjusted it so that his hand is also over the end. So it's more obvious that it's popping out. And this one is even more. So the fewer characters you have, it's easier to do. But you can do it with any number of characters. And that's as easy as that. And then what you can do is if you want to download it, you group everything together. Group it this way, and then you group. Okay? So you can actually move the whole thing around, put it in the middle, and then you download it, and that's it. You have it. You can remove the background. You go to that. If you don't have a pro account at Canva, you can go to www.remove.bg.com. Is it bg.com? Let me just no, www.remove.bg. So it's as easy as that. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you've liked what I've done, and look through the other videos to see if there's anything else you would like. Okay, bye.